Hi guys, we're done building this Wing Gundam Zero EW real grade version, and the challenge for me sa pagbuild nito is the kit is too small for me. So my sweaty hands and ang hirap niyang hawakan. But the good thing is sobrang ganda niya. The articulation sobrang high definition. I haven't seen any maluwag or loose parts para dito na kit na to. This is the first time that I built something na wala akong nakitang loose parts. Kasi when we built yung isang real grade version, yung pearl gloss na Wing Gundam Zero, may mga loose parts siya. So it comes with 2 Gatling guns and 3 pairs of hands, isang open hands na nabubuksan siya. Wait lang, hold on. Ayan natin siya dito. Okay. Sana hindi malaglag because I'm recording. Okay. So, I got this one. It's articulated. Okay. And then dalawang closed fist na pwedeng lagyan ng baril. Yan. And then the other one yung closed fist lang na sinuot ko na sa kanya. And yung wings niya sobrang ganda and hindi kayo magsisisi sa kit na to. So if you want to buy it, makikita nyo to sa Toy Kingdom and sa marketplace and sa mga taong nagko-collect na, and siguro mga doubles nila. So salamat at salamat sa pag-drop by at panood dito sa ating short review. Thank you. This is Buick from the 12-hour shift. Have a good one.